back to the channel. Today's video we are going over the Glock 43 and some of the upgrades I've done to it. Be sure to check out watchjoshwiley.com. There's a discount code page over there where it's got links if you use the link and use the discount code for all of the different companies over there that have supported the channel. If you do that and buy something, you will be helping support the channel, so I'd appreciate it if you guys check that out. And be sure to let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below, and don't forget to get subscribed. So let's hop right into the newly upgraded Glock 43. Now, I did do a initial review, I think, when I got this, did some upgrades to the video, done a little bit more stuff to it, and now we're doing a new upgrade video. So first upgrade we're going to be talking about is the stick-on grip. Right here, this one is from Handle It Grips. I have worked with Handle It Grips and Talon Grips. I like both of them. The only thing with Handle It Grips is they make grips for other stuff like gaming controllers and stuff like that. So it's not just like gun grips. But I really like everything they offer, and this one is where that one came from, Handle It Grips. So next on the list is this new trigger. This is actually the slim trigger for the Glock 43 from Apex Tactical. I have done a lot of different videos with them. I love all of their stuff. I've done trigger upgrades and spring upgrades to a bunch of different firearms I've got, and I really enjoy those guys. They're a big supporter of the channel, so be sure and check them out as well. But this is the new slim trigger for the Glock 43 from Apex. Next thing is the night sights. These aren't the Trijicon night sights. I just got a cheaper pair. I think I found them on Amazon for a little bit cheaper price. I did go ahead and do this because I was thinking about doing a red dot optic up here and mounting it. I've done a bunch of different videos on different builds. I've got a machine shop, so I do all the machining myself. But I think I have been thinking about it for a while, but I think I'm going to leave the red dot optic off of this, and that's what I was thinking when I went ahead and upgraded the sights to night sights, because I'll probably leave that red dot off. If I ever do that in the future, which I've said in other videos, I will do another video on that. But so far and still, no red dot optic on this, just to keep it small and concealable, especially in the summertime. So I went ahead with the night sights. The next upgrade is probably the coolest, and if I had to nail down any upgrade, if you could just pick one for the Glock 43, and a lot of people are probably already in the comment section or saying in your head the upgrade would be the Glock 43X, which, yeah, but on upgrades for the Glock 43, we'll stick to this. This is the new magazine from Shield Arms. Now, with a regular Glock 43 magazine, this is a regular one from Glock, and these are 6+1. This one from Shield Arms, you don't need to do anything. You can just pop it in and use it. This one is 9+1. Now, what they did is Glock magazines are polymer, but they have a metal interior frame and then coated with polymer. This one is all metal, so you can fit a little bit more in there, and it is a little bit longer, but not very much at all, and you can fit 3 more rounds in this guy. So really neat upgrade from Shield Arms to give you 3 more rounds in a magazine that you don't need to do anything to. You can just buy it and use it. And the next newest upgrade, this is a whole lot more recent than some of the other ones that I've done to this. It is the TLR6 from Streamlight. I did recently do a video on just this light specifically, so we won't go into too much detail on that, other than you can get the TLR6 for a bunch of different pistols, and you get it to mount to a specific pistol, because I think most of these get mounted on a pistol that doesn't have a rail. So you'll actually have to, and like this, take this apart, and it actually clamps around the trigger guard and up here on the end of the frame here. So a really neat upgrade from Streamlight, and you can get this, I believe, just a light or a light and laser combo, which I did. And it's a really neat upgrade, really sleek. I did talk about it in the video. I got by accident, Streamlight sent me this. They send me a lot of lights to do videos on. They sent me this. I wasn't specific on what color I wanted the light. So they sent me, I think, a brown one or a tan one, and it looked really weird on this, so I actually just painted it. but it turned out nice. So that is the new TLR6 from Streamlight for the Glock 43. And another new upgrade, I did have a cheap holster for this before I put the light on there. So when I put the light on there, I needed a new holster, a new Kydex holster, and Freedom holsters, which I've worked with in the past. I really like their holsters. The holsters are great. They've got a bunch of different options you can choose from. So I reached out to them, told them I was doing a video on this, got a new light for it, asked if they'd be interested in sending me out a new holster. I didn't tell them what I wanted. I just said surprise me, and it turned out really fantastic and fits great. So be sure to check out Freedom Holsters on their website. I think it's freedomholsters.com. So that is all of the new upgrades on my Glock 43. I really love this pistol. That is one of my top summer carries because I can carry it in shorts, and it's not extremely big, and it's a whole lot comfortable to carry even in like sweat shorts and stuff. So be sure to check me out on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel. Get down in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to get subscribed. Check out watchjoshwiley.com. Take advantage of those discount codes over there. That is all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.